Wow, that's a powerful motor. I'm pretty excited because this will be my very first canister vacuum cleaner. Who doesn't love an exciting unboxing? Springtime is here, time to do some spring cleaning. I don't know how often you guys vacuum, but it's always good to vacuum on a regular basis. So I'm pretty excited. Wow, look at all these goodies in here. Right out of the box, you see the canister vacuum, large 3.7 quarts dust cup. Here we have the floor nozzle, and there are 5 total attachments. And this is the crevice nozzle for those hard to reach places. This is a small dust brush. This is the pet power mate attachment. And also the upholstery brush with the hose and also the attachment. And of course, let's not forget the user's manual. All right, let's see if I can assemble this in one go without referring to the instructions guide. I think the hose goes in the opening right here. Make sure it's locked in place. And I'm pretty sure the wand with the arrow pointing down goes through here, in here, and then the floor nozzle goes through here. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I have it. And I just noticed it has an extendable wand for those hard to reach places. And located on top, there is an airflow regulator. And here's what the floor nozzle looks like. You have options of being on a carpeted floor or on hardwood or tile flooring. It has wheels that it glides easily, and also these padding right here. So it makes sure it gives you a good directional suction. You know what this vacuum gives an aura of? It kind of resembles like a industrial vacuum. But this is so cute. Look at the color. It kind of reminds a little bit of like the Star Wars BB-8 or R2-D2, doesn't it? So this features a large 3.7 quart dustpan. I think you open it by pressing down on this release button right here. And here is the washable HEPA filter along with the washable cup. Simply remove it like this. Okay, very large dust cup. And you can see the max, so in case when it's time to clean it, you simply lift it up like this and pour out the trash. Very large dustpan. Here's what the inside looks like. Let's close that. All right, very large wheel, so it's easy to glide, and this isn't heavy at all. This weighs in at a total of combined 14.8 pounds. I can definitely lift this up easily with one hand, especially with the large wheel. It's easy to glide. And on the back, there's also another HEPA filter hidden in here, so you have plenty of air quality control. Make sure it keeps the dust in. And also, if you look carefully, there is actually a dial. I wasn't expecting that. You don't see that on many of this type of vacuums. There's a min to a maximum flow. Wow, I can't wait to test that out. And there's a power button, big on-off switch, and also a built-in cord retraction button. Very nice handle, Aspiron logo right there. And here's what the bottom looks like. Also has another unidirectional 360 wheel. All right, let's go and test it out. Time to relax and take a break. Yo, who left this huge mess here? What is this? Paper towel, noodles, rice, green beans, and garbanzo beans? Whoa, who's gonna clean up this mess? Aspiron's here to save the day. Let's go ahead and switch it from tile to carpet. Power on. Switch it from mid. Let's go ahead with medium. Max. Let's use the pet power mates attachment. Great for pet hair. Small brush head. And lastly, the upholstery attachment. And once you're done, you don't have to worry about rewinding the cord. It's equally effective on hardwood floors. Make sure you switch it from carpet to tile. Let's see how it does on tile surfaces. Emptying the trash is easy with the extra large dust cup. Don't forget the HEPA filter is washable, and also the dust cup is washable. Wow, that was definitely vacuuming made fun and easy with the super powerful motor. It was able to even pick up my slides. Are you kidding me? And I really love the adjustable power. The max suction operates at greater equal to 455 air watts. That's equivalent of 1200 watts with a motor speed running at 100,000 RPM. With the 5 versatile interchangeable heads, you can clean any furniture, upholstery, reach those hard to reach places. And I definitely appreciate the large 3.7 quart dust cup, which is also washable and is also bagless. So if you are in the market for a powerful vacuum cleaner, definitely check out the Aspiron Canister vacuum cleaner.